All right. 2013 F150. Dead. Put the keys in, all the way, start, nothing. Brake on, lever does not move. Key all the way on, lever still does not move. I got a battery charger. I wish I had a jump box. Okay, so I have no room. There's a shelf. Okay. Guess what? The battery's way over there on the passenger side. There is no room to get over there on the passenger side. I threw the cables over there, but guess what? Now they're stuck. So I need to bring it back 5 inches. Now, how do you do that when it's stuck in gear? It's stuck in gear, so how do you put it in neutral? You don't. So I went ahead and jacked up the rear end. Both tires are off the ground. Okay, well, I'm too weak to push it back, so grabbed a Tahoe, grabbed the Chevy to pull the Ford out 5 inches by myself because I don't have no help right now. Here we go. All right, I got it hooked up. I just need to drag it 5 inches. That's pretty close, but it'd be all right. Just 5. Oh, God. Okay. Come on, Tahoe. Let's do your magic. Shit, here we go. Ugh. By myself here. Oh, God. Okay, well, I definitely pulled it out. Maybe more than 5 inches, and that's okay because I'm a big guy. So let's find out. Oh, look at all that room. Oh, yeah, babe. There we go.
I was nervous.
Yeah, I was nervous too. Boom. And here was the problem. I threw this line over. I got caught. And I still can't get it. Oh, piss. I have no light. Oh, there's one. There we go. Oh, man. All this because a little corrosion on there. Because I left the fucking parking lights on. Uh-oh. When it says flow, this thing in particular tells me your battery's bad and you need a new battery.
A few moments later.
Okay, so after cleaning it all up, go back over here and it's charging. Yay. Oh, stupid Fords. Ugh. Stupid corrosion on the battery.